San Francisco hidden gems versus tourist traps, authentic culture and smart travel tips. San Francisco hidden gems versus tourist traps, authentic culture and smart travel tips. Hidden gems to explore. Seward Street Slides, a fun, local spot with concrete slides for all ages. Open daily, always accessible. Nearby eatery, La Taqueria, affordable, best tacos. Open Monday through Saturday 11 a.m. to 9 p.m., closed Sundays. 16th Avenue tiled steps, beautiful mosaic stairs with ocean views. Open anytime. Nearby eatery, Devil's Teeth Baking Company, great breakfast sandwiches. Open Wednesday through Monday 7 a.m. to 3 p.m., closed Tuesdays. Wave organ, acoustic sculpture on the bay, great for a quiet moment. Open daily, dawn to dusk. Nearby eatery, Sotto Mare, fresh seafood, reasonable prices. Open daily 11:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. Balmy Alley Murals, vibrant murals reflecting San Francisco's history and culture. Open anytime. Nearby eatery, El Farolito, famous burritos, budget-friendly. Open daily 11 a.m. to 2 a.m. Glen Canyon Park, natural hiking trails off the beaten path. Open daily 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Nearby eatery, Little Star Pizza, deep dish and thin crust at good prices. Open daily noon to 9 p.m. Fort Point National Historic Site, historic fort with stunning Golden Gate view. Open Thursday through Monday 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., closed Tuesday and Wed. Nearby eatery, The Warming Hut Cafe, simple sandwiches and coffee. Open daily 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Musée Mécanique, vintage arcade games and machines, a nostalgic treat. Open daily 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Nearby eatery, Boudin Bakery Cafe, famous sourdough bread bowls. Open daily 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. Grandview Park, small hill with panoramic city views, often overlooked. Open anytime. Nearby eatery, Outerlands, cozy spot, affordable brunch. Open daily 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. San Francisco Columbarium, beautifully designed historical columbarium. Open Wednesday through Sunday 9 a.m. to 4 p.m., closed Mon and Tuesday. Nearby eatery, Pacific Cafe, healthy and affordable Mexican food. Open daily 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. The Wave Organ, a unique acoustic sculpture creating sounds from the waves. Open daily dawn to dusk. Nearby eatery, Lewis Restaurant and Bar, affordable Italian-American dishes. Open daily noon to 10 p.m. Tourist traps to avoid or approach with caution. Pier 39, overcrowded, overpriced food and shops, better to visit early morning. Or late evening if you must go. Alcatraz tours, popular but expensive and very crowded, book in advance or consider alternative historic sites. Cable car rides, iconic but often packed and slow, try the less crowded F-line streetcar instead. Fisherman's Wharf restaurants, many are touristy and costly, explore nearby. North Beach for authentic Italian food instead. Chinatown's Grant Avenue, overpriced souvenirs and tourist-focused shops, head to Stockton Street for real local markets and food stalls. Disclaimer: business hours and availability can change without notice due to various reasons. Please check official websites or contact businesses directly before visiting to confirm current schedules and policies. We built our digital businesses at newbeginning.com, which allows us the freedom to pursue our dreams. What is your dream? We'd like to see if we can help you achieve your goals. Visit www.newbeginning.com/webinar to find out. Thanks, and God bless you.